Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick setup that I see here in Zoom. Now, as far as a bullish setup is concerned, you do not have the moving averages on your side. You are below the 200, you're below the 50, and the 5 and the 13 are on a sell. However, I really do like this setup zone. It includes a two-step, and it also includes some symmetry, of course, some 618s and extensions. So I do really like this cluster setup zone. It comes in 334.66 to 341.69. So your risk is defined. The other thing I like about Zoom, of course, is because we are seeing more people wanting to work from home, kids maybe doing school from home again. So this is a nice stock to look at right now. We have failed off of some resistance on the daily at 404.35, but like I said, your risk is defined. As soon as we get a bounce, I can set up some resistance for you, but for now, just know that your zone of risk is 334.66 to 341.69, and please be sure to wait for triggers. All right, everyone, I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I'll talk to all of you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments that I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me